Guys, so today we have a very trending video, which are the tag videos. You must have seen on YouTube, like boyfriend tag, girlfriend tag, get to know me tag, all those kinds of tags and stuff. So today, to bring a bit of awareness, I'm gonna do the wheelchair tag in collaboration with Wheels No Heels. So she's also a disabled YouTuber, and we thought of doing this. But before I jump into the video, I just want everyone to know that I post videos every first week and third week of the month, and I'm a passionate writer. I love to write. So I have a blog of my own. If you're not aware, I'll link it down below. And I post blogs every second week and fourth week of the month. So if you're interested, please check that out. So basically, how the tag works is we have a set of questions on our phones. I have a set of questions and I'll be answering them on my phone. So the first question is, why do you use a wheelchair? So basically, when I was 10, I was diagnosed with a disease called Friedreich's ataxia, which is a neuromuscular disease. If you want information about that disease, I'll link it down below. And that disease, basically, it causes difficulty in coordination, in movement, all those things. So it's a progressive disease. So gradually, initially I was walking, and gradually now I came to a point of time where I needed the wheelchair. So now I'm using the wheelchair. Second question, are you a part-time or full-time user? So initially I was a part-time user. I used to walk and I used to use the wheelchair for long distances. But now the disease has progressed. It's become a bit worse. So now I'm a full-time user. I use the wheelchair for everything. I take it into the washroom, into the kitchen, throughout the house. Like, I need an accessible place to stay. All those things are necessary now for me. Before it wasn't that significant, now it's more significant. What's the making and model of your chair? So mine is the chair from Karma, and it's not an electric wheelchair, it's a manual wheelchair. I'll show you a picture right now. And yeah, so in that wheelchair you get a cushion yourself. They provide you with a cushion, and they provide you with some tool, like a toolkit kind of thing. So like, we didn't have, it wasn't necessary for us to buy a new cushion or something, a separate cushion. It was already available, and it's extremely, like, you can take it off, wash it if you want, and stuff like that. What is your dream wheelchair? So I don't have a dream wheelchair actually. Right now I'm using a manual wheelchair, but to be honest, later on it would be easier to use an electric wheelchair. It's my perspective, obviously, but electric wheelchairs cost a lot. They cost like 50,000 to 1 lakh, almost as much as a motorcycle. So you have to think a lot before buying it. What is your favorite or most used skill? So once I started using the wheelchair, I think first of all, navigating with the wheelchair is such a big thing because it's very difficult, especially during uphill navigation. That's very difficult. So I nailed that. Going on curbs, that's also something that I've learned. And speed bumps, that was very difficult, very difficult, especially in India. A lot of potholes, a lot of speed bumps. So going through that, I think, was something which made life easier for me. Um, what's the best thing about being in a wheelchair? Well, being in a wheelchair, there are many perks. I've also written a blog post about it. So, if you want to check it out, then I'll link it down below. But the best thing about being in a wheelchair is, to be honest, you're never alone. Like in my college, I always used to have someone with me, and I used to love that. I used to not be alone, never. Like there used to always be someone accompanying me. And so with the wheelchair, actually, I made new friends. Like it was a conversation starter, I guess you can say. So because I was in a wheelchair, I made new friends. Like people would come to help me and people would ask me questions. So it became a conversation starter kind of thing. And it made me more social as I'm socially awkward in front of people at least. Um, what's the worst thing about being in a wheelchair? I would say the worst thing about being in a wheelchair is having to have accessibility, especially in India. Uh, accessible places are very, like, there's not many accessible places, so it's difficult to find places where there's no steps, only ramps and stuff like that. So I think that's one issue that I find, because the building is not up to the mark like how I need it for me to go. What is a dream wheelchair accessory? I always found the power bike to be fascinating. The power bike over here, that is fascinating. I find it fascinating. I mean, I saw the foreign people use it and I found it very interesting. Another thing that I always wanted was a hand grip, which Jem has in Wheels No Heels. She has a hand grip and I always wanted one, but I keep changing wheelchairs. Like I never stick to one wheelchair. I have to keep changing mine. So I found it a waste to buy a hand grip because the dimensions keep changing for every wheelchair. So I'm not using, I didn't buy one. What's the weirdest, stupidest question you have been asked being a wheelchair user? I've been asked many questions. I can make a whole separate video. Actually, I have this in mind to make a whole separate video about stupid questions that I get asked. These are not normal questions, these are very weird questions. But one of the weirdest questions that I get asked is, what? You can love someone? You get feelings? You can love someone? Like people find it so weird that I can like someone, I get feelings. Like it's my feet that don't work. My heart still works through. Like people will find that so weird for me to love someone. Like I don't know. What's an advice you would give someone choosing a new wheelchair? I would say when you get a wheelchair, first you shouldn't care what other people think. I think that's the main issue when you start using a wheelchair, that many people start staring at you. So it becomes very, very difficult to get used to wheelchair and accept the wheelchair and all that stuff. But I think like once you start not giving a damn about what other people think, then I think it'll be good. And the kind of wheelchair that you have to choose is one that's comfortable for you. Like when I was buying a wheelchair, I had to make sure that it fits in the doors. Like I would try to buy a compact wheelchair so that it fits in all the doors and stuff like that. So I have my previous wheelchair is actually a compact wheelchair, and I still have that at home. So like if I go to any places or anything, then I can always use that one. So now I wanna tag a few wheelchair users that are in this YouTube industry. One is Ankita, who I met like in a pageant. She was also a participant. Second is Hardik, who's also a passionate YouTuber. And third, Madeline, who is also a person with Frederick's ataxia like me. So I want these three people to also do a wheelchair tag so people are more aware with what type of things we use and all those things. If you like this video, please comment down below. Please subscribe, and I'll come back with more videos. Thank you.